yeah. Let's go there. I'm setting anyhow. Here you go. Oh yeah, I thought like me they screaming. Screaming, record me right now. Huh? Okay, come on, buddy. Where your sister? Australia. Saga, I must say, I'm not thinking one. Saga, Yahi. Split this video as the horse. Let's go. Irapa mama boyo uguga wa ne wa da ho gani awo saga na ka you know no any be. Yes, so I love mothers, you don't understand. I hate intimidation. I hate intimidation Umenwan, and I'm a very crazy human being. And I know you will just say na you see would not carry it no man yeah one man iwe nyesio sie na ye o Yes, you would not get it. No, Maria. Dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. I'm not alone. The way you just get on you. Yes, you would not get it. No, Maria. Because one sense ego, the can't want to have me. I will ya nigga. I have more ya nigga. You want to one for New Year Day. Kudos to all your mothers, your late mothers. Cannot who can have bomb. Do you want to have one? I can use one big war. A year now, what is going on? What is going on? That go here, I don't know about some of your story this year. Iye me ma bo ma yo. Iye me ma mo ma mo sulele. Ya mo fi wa e. Ame ma ya na wa mo se na. Ni re do gbono ye. E na si wo na ka iye me. Share this video. Opana ya ta me ye. Imaji wa o. Uma jonu pe. Na ye me pe. Yeah, go the ashi wala. Sister, we are bueno. We are not that number. It's a license nash. Huh? Yo, child. It's payable one money. Yo. Umenwan, no God. What's that? On a bonus. Umenwan, no more. Oh God. Almost said, wait, oh yes, oh yes, what's up? Easy, man. Someone just in the yes, He shock you. If when it's something I'm doing it, so what do I'm going to ask? Oh, yeah, let's go there. Extraordinary vandalization, copying vandalization to Sadia. It's like hello. Okay. Yes, it happened once. I must greet you all with better style. Oh, that's all right there. Please share this video. Share this video, very important. I like what the music you can yes. Clear matter. Oh, I want to right there. I greet you all with better style. Please split the video, share the video. Let's go to the reason where we are here. This beautiful, cool New Year afternoon. Yes, yeah, we're total. The co I can't arrange matter because I fancy when it's total. Because here are total. Or zoom ali. So when the not zoom ali. So I want to sit down and talk about this. Iye guna ekia. Waiting for Jim to pursue your husband for husband has said and me. Now me can pursue your husband. Oh yeah. Before I go talk, I would love to play Iego video first. You understand? Because I don't push on to the extent you can't talk. And I'm waiting with the want to be that one. I'm waiting me at the want to be that one. I'm waiting me like be that one. And let's do. So I'm so happy. I see one of this is from Victor the Umenwan of the neighbor, the social media king, the social media banana, the social media autonomous, the social media anyone, the social media akobisi. Runda era no ska akobisi erok na mo baba what is man. I don't like drink. I want you. Say where una hide her children. Which children? Are you talking about my children? My children are in the city room, they are playing games. If you are talking about my children they are in the city room. They for palo. They play game for palo. Doris person. Be specific on your writing or else I'll block you out of this place. That's just the way it is. I don't need animals for here. I need real human being, not be animals. If you take yourself to become animals, I'll block you straight down. You understand? So you're supposed to don't say don't be for Facebook. Okay, now let's use this one. Don't be Facebook. I think they feed this all this while. You understand? So definitely if you talk anyhow, I'll block you. Now you go lose. Now you know go watch this program. So share the video, guys. Before I go talk. Me a fair play. Iye go na mugu. Now what time I don't think you person, I swear to God. Alright, my lovely people. Please share this video. Let's go straight down there. Okay, she didn't analyze my video. Okay, let's go there. Video one please. Happy New Year in advance, everybody. You guys know hearing. Please guys share and like and love this video. Okay. This one is Mama Ego. Please share this video. Let's go there. Go ahead, talk.
I want first Happy New Year to everyone. This is Mama Kevin. I'm not supposed to even talk for this matter because.
Okay. You don't want me your face to show.
Don't be saying no one very sure. Okay. I'm not supposed to talk for this matter because she, my husband and Mama Ego. I never know my husband when my husband know Mama Ego. I'm not supposed to even talk for the matter because I don't know what is up between two of them. So, when she make me even they put my mouth for this matter, now because of the way Mama Ego take they do me, when she take they treat me, when they say me I not do Mama Ego anything. Since before I even married to my husband, Mama Ego, I remember say you call Mama Ego one day. You did here. Yeah. You can't greet her. You like say she be dating talk, something like that.
Yes.
She can't just drop her sister. She don't hear your voice. She can't drop TikTok. She can't call you back.
Yes.
So now from there, they call they talk or they discuss or she can't talk say she won't marry me. You won't marry me. Yeah. You understand? Now she can't say, hey, if you just marry and after just do Mama Kevin, if you just get better, don't let anybody hear or you understand, just keep her for yourself. And wait till she talk. So because they greet and say, Mama, first time to even talk to her, she go they say, you know they even share my video again, don't remove me for admin, okay. All those things. So let me go tell her, say, Mama, no worry, me go they share your video now. You understand? Yeah. So from there, I can't really they share her videos for some days. I can't share her video. When she go even do, I will share her video. That's what we take there. So after we don't marry, anytime maybe say she just the verse or maybe get argument with anybody, she go come they even just start they put me inside, they insult me. She don't insult me first time, second time, third time. I will just call you say, honey, this woman they insult me. You go say just leave her and my godmother. Understand? Exactly. So I don't understand. If I don't say this thing when it happened between them, say maybe when I never the friend, because me as I read body language well. You understand? Yeah. Body language. Maybe I tell you. Yes, I read body language. Once I don't look your body language, I don't say this thing you do. I don't need to go juju. So as I talk this thing, say do I go watch on my go? Her body language show to me say she do. You understand? Yeah. So even you said when be my husband. Not be say I don't know you like that well. That time. Not be say I told you me and you they close like this. But her body language show to me say something sup between una. Even ever since I don't even tell you this thing, so I not tell you, but I just keep on to myself. I know say something sup. You understand? Because now two of my body language now I read. Exactly. So I can't surprise this last one where Mama Ego come do. Where all these women, all these side chick there, they can't come out, they insult my enemy, they play audio, they go. You never able to the first day when they play the audio, Saturday they play audio. Mama Ego just jump come out. Even before that time, 2 weeks, I bet 3 weeks before. Monica, they talk to her, they insult her, they analyze the Mama Ego video and something like that. Mama Ego call this. People call they call me say, what you do, Mama Ego, they insult you. I can't say, I can't through go look the video. It's just they say, hey, now you don't, your wife, they GPC, now they join her. Yeah, Mama, Monica, they join your wife now. They saga me. Now me come still call you. That day on a day party for burial. Yeah. Okay, you say, I only see what this woman they do. They just start to insult me. You say, leave her now, my godmother. I still keep her, I still leave her. People will still call me say, Mama, why this woman they insult? I say, Mona, leave her. Now my husband godmother. I still forget. Till the last one, what she can't do, when she can't just come out, they insult, say my enemy carry goats, pekus, can't go, they give Franvito. She can't even talk and say, don't even tell Franvito before me, she not marry me. Now, so me, I be hold woman, I be this one, I be that. I can't say, So as I can't watch the video, I never call my husband, I brought him to live video. Now I can't cause the head out of her that day. Insult her as she wants. So till now, let me come to you start they ask my husband, what did they happen? You understand? Till when this adulterous issue come, say because they go put a name for adulterous for people when they
go put a picture.
A picture. Now make her call the verse, they shout, say when they go they put a picture for adulterous issue. You understand? Then because people my husband call they say, you when you know say you do something, why you go they take body call they pepper you like that, like say maybe you be innocent. Yes, yeah. You understand? So one faithful day when your brother call, yeah. Now then I can't call everything. Your brother call my husband. Me with a day, we did together.
We did video call.
We did together. We did. I did your house. I did Roma. I bet we did video.
No, we did video call.
Okay.
We did video call.
I did video call before your brother will call. So you know if he calls my own call, say you want to talk to your brother. So don't go and talk about Meriados. Why you go post my this picture? Why you go tell me Meriados say that you buy car from all those things? Now you go tell you come worry and say, what did they worry you? You be my partner, you go marry person. You don't even tell me say you marry. Yes. Now I just know. So from there, now your brother come ask you say, I feel talking.
Talking now, Isha.
Your brother come ask you say, anybody did there?
Now say no.
He said anybody did there. You supposed to say no.
No.
He say, why you make Mama go fall in love? My head spark. He said, why you make Mama go fall in love for you? I say, no wonder. So now, so everything. I don't even ask you. Yeah. After I just hear that thing, I just lock up. I don't even ask, say, babe, what's really solve? Anything solve? Because I believe, say, if I even ask you that, if you don't even tell me, I believe, say, at the right time, you go talk. Understand? So since then, I don't hear this thing before Mama go come and call this black say na my enemy na the day na this and that. I go say So if Mama go wey be say na 50-something years fall in love for boy when the person when say me I go marry the day when me go marry young boy. You wait come me na me they even tell you say I don't date 50 years because I want me know. No one know. Exactly. You understand? Hey, now December, I don't need to talk. Now this December now I'm supposed to now my birthday they are supposed to be 50 years they're supposed to celebrate her in massive way as 50 years. You understand? So one just give me una age one I want. It not concern me. So she when I know say she the talk and say she want do 52 years now. She said me go marry. He said Frank go marry a day. But you will want complete even though me say even do 50 years for example. She even still senior me with 2 years.
Yes now.
Why she will come say me go marry a young boy? You go marry a day. Why?
They call you the day.
They call me the day. So she come be you. You understand? Now that one me not come understand. See, why
she plan to marry me.
Hey, your brother said she fall in love. And I'm mad. Now she get to talk and I say now you to remove her for husband house. Okay. So now what do me not understand for Mama? Why you call they fight me? Why you call they fight me? Because I don't. If you say me even know say you with her there, I don't even know anything. Now just that body language, now look. Not be say I go read body language. I can say that thing not true or not be true. You understand? But me myself, me on my own, I go not say not true. But if you not use your mouth talk, I not go talk say not true because I not get evidence.
All right, my love. Thank you very much.
So I'm gonna me ask my go. Why she the verse for me say me go marry Frank? When we say me I be the day. She be young girl.
I will tell you today.
Okay.
Why she the verse for you?
Thank you.
Just relax. Now, my people, I greet you all with better style. Please share this video. Share the video. Let us talk without no hatred, no discrimination. You understand? I greet all of you now. As you all know, this is from Victor. We will talk on the way the thing be. I watched the video with my go do blah 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 out of waiting, confusion and depression. Yes, it's the truth. From your video, from the beginning of your video to the end, it was confusion and depression and frustration. I know you've been sick before, but let's keep that one aside.
Oh, wait, sorry. I want to talk one thing.
Go ahead.
I know if you say you be my husband, and I say if you do something bad, me I not talk. If you really know, say Mama go they married, she's still there with your husband. You sleep with her. You are very wrong.
Now calm down.
So you go
explain. I never tell you that one.
Me I go first talk now.
No, let me talk now.
Okay now.
Just keep calm. Because most of the things I will talk now, go still shock you.
Okay.
You understand? I be man.
Yes.
You understand? There are some secrets that die with a man. There are some secrets a man will keep to himself forever. Even his wife will give for her, will know. Yes. You understand? But in this stage, there are secrets that will expose to the general public. And even it will be strange to you as a wife today. I know it's not everything I will tell you. And to those so-called side chick out there who are also sitting down now watching, They don't even know about me. That's what I'm going to tell you. Say, it is what I want you to know that you will know. Even as I'm still going to be speaking now, there are still some secrets I must still keep.
Yes.
We are not going to see exposed. You understand? For in case of future purpose. You understand, man? And in case of you as even my wife, to still get nothing, my husband not be saying you talk everything.
Yes.
You understand? Now, 2020, brother, listen. I'm going to talk with time and date. Complete. You understand me now? I'll not be daft and dumb like Iego, which is done for life in man listen. I went to Germany through my Oyibo woman, which I did her house for some time. When I did the Oyibo woman house, saga with the new saga, that was when Ivie do video, go sleep with Obazelu. When it come, where the movie record down, when it explode for social media. When I came out on media to analyze that video, and I brought out the person that recorded the voice recorder, Stella is brought out, which was Epa Eddie. Now, please share this video. Let everybody listen and listen very carefully. This one I tell you, this is my story. The story between me and godmother. None of one listen to story. When I just sit down, they pick them small. Give I go to college, I go stay cut down. We'll start from again. Episode 1, episode 2. This is episode 1 of this story of between me and Iego. Now, I start with the woman, someone, the boy or woman. I need to better use my brain. I'm a very smart guy. I see the Oyibo woman say, man, this one, no go, no come. Now, they use me the Giro, the old village. They work like say, I will not be old man. And document that they find for this Oyibo woman hand. No go, no come. I chill. I get several girlfriends, several toasters on internet where I get. I begin to look for the one we say they okay for inside. Before I come across one video, I did one video. When I did the video, somebody saw the video and fall in love with me. The person contacted me by herself, and we started dating. The person came to my Oyibo house to pick me to my Oyibo house. She drove down to my Oyibo house to pick me up. And I was living with her in the house right in Germany. And many of you still believe I do Oyibo house. I was in a black woman house. Now from black woman house, now I go proud mom house. Which many of you don't know. Even you go no know. It get to a point, this thing where you go date my life, I can't expose to Iego say, now black woman in the house. I can't call you go on video call. She can't see the black woman, they can't talk. Which Iego know. Now, no question. You guys should have to sit down and listen. Nobody should ask me any question for now. If I finish talking, if you have question to ask, you cannot ask question. You understand? As I am talking, don't interrupt me with question. It's very simple. Just sit down and listen. So, this Iego, I never knew her until she started following me. She started commenting. She started calling me. And she called me, go say, give me your account, and buy something. She go buy me gift, clothes. Then I did dark woman house. Iego was thinking I was in a Oyibo house, whereas I was in a black woman house. Well, listen, you know, when I see the way Iego to the buy me gift, I can't take her as a godmother because she's a matured woman. Due to what I saw on her profile at the picture where I see. Now, mature lady. So I can't take her as a godmother. Each time she bought gifts, I always acknowledge her on my platform. Don't play. Many of you are here now, you are watching me. I'm not be ungrateful person. And they always be talking the way the thing be. Now my government buy me these clothes where they go on board some for life that go wear them. Each time I do video, I doesn't remember when I buy me this one, I buy me this chain, I buy me this hag, but I buy me this one, I always talk them. I know they hide them. Each and anybody will buy me gift. That was how I was living my life during there. Iego, I never knew the dancing I was dancing. They make Iego the squirt for house. I never knew until she started confiding on me. And I never knew, say, Iego the husband house. This useless woman, she stay husband house. Now let's go there. We started talking until I go proud mom house. Proud mom come out on media. Come saga me. Go and no get platform. I've never insulted Brabham one day. After I left the house, Brabham insulted for WhatsApp, blah, blah, blah. We insulted ourselves for WhatsApp. We end up this issue there. Until Brabham went so straight to a no-get platform and started confessing. Started the saga for a no-get platform. That make a no-get started the saga. People started they called me, say, the woman when you go in house. That was how Brabham issue came on social media. And I come out after Brabham. Which many of you guys are aware. This should not be with lie. We'll kill on with truth. This is a true life story. Then, the woman where at their house, they go Nigeria, they come back. They go Nigeria, they come back. Then we started planning on how to get. I'm going back to Italy. When I see the situation in Germany, I never put her for ground for Germany then. I just did Germany. Everybody they find my house. Even this so person carry my address, come out where I did. What's it called? No get. When no get try to strike my YouTube. Then I'm gonna remember. This woman let me not say no deal with your husband again. You understand? Say no deal with your husband again, they don't separate, but your husband, he born for her, your husband never collect bride price. You understand? That was what she told me. Then I still did Jamie, she did Jamie. Wanna listen, wanna share this video. And if I don't do this video, those bloody animals out there should call me and ask me any stupid question, because if not so, I go use a good swear for you. Anything where I talk now, don't talk now, is seal. What art for part 2 now go be? You understand? Then, a year ago, don't tell me saying the husband hustle. Before we know what to happen, a year ago they buy me, it's so agbada, come for me. The blue agbada and some other color of agbada me I dey wear for social media. I can't dey wear. I talk for live video, see. A year ago, now he show me this agbada, my godmother. Goes. Then, what's it called? Kevin Olakoko talk show also requested because of my analysis where I analyze how you go to show me agbada. Kevin called me say, "Oh, show this agbada for me." I say, "Na my go brother for Lagos. Na my go say he so and can't give bill. He say he still need damu. He come my go still so go give him. You understand? Or my go so go give Kevin. Kevin come out on live video because I say one of my fans so agbada for me. My go come verse for the thing. My go come say Frankie. Then the life now. Or say now say no man. I saw agbada for you. You come out for live video talk. I say na me so agbada for you. Through me, through my talk for live. Now Kevin take no say. Now me so agbada for you. Now I saw go give Kevin. Kevin go to use on the tank in France, which is Olakoko. Now I say, Mama, you don't mean that everybody not be the same. Me, I don't feel they live fake life. I just talk on the way the thing be. We talk and we rest. I just make it boom, forget about the Kevin. We talk and we rest. So after set I've done, when the issue of adulterous issue came up about Kevin and about a year ago and before that adulterous issue, let me see the Kevin Cosmo. Then I called a plan to go Italy, go do court marriage for Italy. With the same black woman with me in the house, because that woman get German pass. So if I go Italy, I go rent apartment. When I listen to, I go rent apartment. And I go sit down and you listen. So I go rent apartment. All the credentials that I need to get married in Italy was done by Erego. Everything was done on seal and sign by Erego from Lagos, from Abuja, everything. He charged me, which I pay. I was still in Germany. She posted everything to me via Iego to my house. Which everything did with me. Okay, fine. Now, the woman go Nigeria. When she go Nigeria, when I listen, the woman I fix door for my papa house. I send her money when she go Nigeria. She fix door, she fix alumako, everything. The plastering of my father's house. While down the hall, now be you want to do a zoo. I be you want to do a zoo, baby dear. When I want to do the ceiling, he go support me. I don't lie. She support me with money to seal the house. When she says I want to do my past ceiling, I want to say my papa house now Sambisa forest. No door, no window, no ceiling. I've never been proud to say about a big man. You go say really, and I say yes, so. Now you're going to support me for the ceiling. I never knew how big you were. I never know how big you were. He just said no able. In my home, he just now your plaster with me. The person that stands there doing the plaster. Now my own brother plastered the house. All my family are all bricklayer. That's their work. You need to be able to buy 10 bags of slates. I carry two double trip, two of sand in a power house. The rest will cannot pay for workmanship. They started working. I only give them money when they take it. Who stand there? The woman when me and the friend then. When me and they live together for Germany. We are their house for Germany. We go Nigeria. Came and power house. Now this stand, they watched everybody, everything was going on. I take Yego as my government that the woman will watch this video. When I they give kudos and this stupid Yego they give kudos to assassin like them. Now they were plastic my power house. I never knew how they were. 2021. That woman do the plastering and everything. He come back. The woman still go back again to Nigeria. When I bought car from Eruwala, Mr. Domizedu, that car, when I bought that car, and listen good. That woman was going to Nigeria. Whenever she go to Nigeria, she take cab. They can say, no, as Umenwan baby, don't fit drive cab. I'll buy you car. If you finish using that car for that 2 weeks when you want to stay in Nigeria, so hand over the car to my junior brother. Usagi, they won't miss you. Make it drive. Make it play and manage yourself. Because see the kind of car Usagi say he wants. Yeah, buy for her. So I want to buy this car now. But I want me to first use it for it because they go to Nigeria. If you don't use nothing, you give my brother. It's okay, no problem. And she really go to Nigeria. That was exactly what happened. Before she landed Nigeria, Usagi go collect that car from Eruwala stand for Sample Road. Arrive Bejo. For Eruwala office. He carried the car come house. I think I said go park at a hotel like this. The man now don't die. The man will get the hotel and don't die. Now we know the man. He died this last year. Last year I died. You understand? So the woman really go down. The woman and the hotel is the woman lost me. The woman really used that car. Due to the misconduct between that woman and my brother. And the things we have to make she do, she not do. She disobey me. You understand? The whole family can't know say I buy car for my brother. Which I say me the woman not let anybody know. Just keep my brother. Just listen, now you give her. Me she use her. Anytime you come, you physically collect my arm. You understand? But she, because of the way my brother behaved to her, she went to my father's house and presented the car to my father directly in front of my father, present my brother. Which got me angry. Say, are you mad? Why you go do this kind of thing? My own brother now go to feel I don't harm my brother. They go feel I don't get rich, I don't work, I don't get money. When you know say I don't get money, now Facebook for the 6 months to get a manage. You don't go prove to my father and say I don't work for abroad, I don't get money. It's gonna cost big quarrel. If Facebook if I don't my life, then I go. Now you go they let them not say I don't get money. I never see money, I don't buy this kind of big car, give my brother. My father would say I get money, money don't go problem. That was how me and scatter. To the extent that you might come Germany. Before she come, who me and communicate this woman. This woman tried to manipulate me, convince me. This time around, that woman they built house for Amagba. When we are doing things together. All the money we are collect now, that woman account they go. If the woman they go to Nigeria soon, the money go pack everything go Nigeria, go use and they build house. Because we believe say we want marry. Because then you want to do court marriage for Italy. Then she will come Germany, come submit her. That was the plan before. Then, even when she go to Nigeria, was supposed to do introduction. But the mother said, make she first calm down first until she get better. Before she go to talk of introduction. Because she no problem. When I listen, the whole world sit down and they listen. Ego was inside. Ego manipulate everything. They call me. When this woman come make one statement for Benin, we therefore they communicate. That statement triggers me. I say, huh? Normally, the house which she debut, the fourth floor which she debut, she say, now our house now, now our house now. She go make one very awful statement, say, eh, why we ban do how we, you go where boa. If you don't sit down, you don't go let you, I know have to talk. On to quarrel, because you go sit down and say, now your money now take build house. I can't pick, because in every nonsense, there is always a sense. I can't pick that sense. Eh? So this woman will be the user account. Tell they collect money, everything. She want to do feel it for the house and my money. But how what she do for the house and my money? Now she go to say, if you come, you go my money. I say, okay, that means I'm go. I come to my go see what my babe talk. You see, I don't tell you. Our own not be like my own. She gave me advice. Say, Frank, don't worry. You have your turn win. I will dash you land. When I listen, when I listen to the story, I go dash you land. If I give you land, go tell the bidder. Don't worry, my brother did when they control it, when they care of my property. It will help you build the land peacefully while I not go there. Now I say, really say yes. That was how he really give me land. In brother can't write receipt, won't send me the receipt for phone. The land cost 300,000. I can't ask him to make me accounts. Can't give me Nigeria accounts. I can't the transfer money to go in Nigeria accounts. Anybody need my account for Nigeria, and the brother account that they send. Then I get to YouTube about this my talk show and this and Umenwan talk TV. The Umenwan TV is there for the German woman, the black woman where they friend for Germany. The boy with the smile, I can't convert and put in brother account, Nigeria account, domiciliary account, dollar account. Put that for his side. So from there, anybody will come for that YouTube straight to brother accounts. That was how we were living like a family. We just living like family. I was able to say, thank God, I don't see better person. I don't see a woman who be see get God-fearing heart. Until one very fateful day. Listen good though. That day, after all this, she sent me a message. I come and say, thank you very much, man. I love you so much. I love you so much. Now I right to go give her. That word, she said she make her sweat. She wet. He said for the past how many years she got married to Papa Ego, she never wet one day. She never wet. That word where I say I love you so much, come make her wet. The next thing she come call me, and she come and she come tell me say, me know what happened today. I see they go work. That's when me talk say me I love you so much. Say the thing, make her wet to say I see film, but you can go to the toilet. I see film, make us so spark when they come out. He come when I say really. How come? Come say, you never seen it kind na God doing na our ancestors. Know the reason why. Now play. So we start for fun. This time around, na black woman me and she do. If they want they go work, na me and she go different, they talk, they play love. And I'm also planning to go back to Italy. So me and the black woman was okay, what will happen? If I reach Italy, I will rent apartment. At least me I get 2-bedroom apartment for Italy. Then she go come put documents. Then she will get resident for the apartments. So that we'll get resident for the apartments. We'll do marriage for the commune. From there we'll send the certificate of it to come to Germany. He will give me visa. He will apply for visa for me to come to Germany with her. So we'll come get the plan. Because okay, no problem. So when I consider when the woman come from Nigeria, the mood when the woman couldn't do, which she only behave, I said no, this man is not go area. I see the red light, the red flag. I said it's not go area. I have to leave this woman, go back to Italy, start my life all over again. Then be with a woman in Germany who is not ready to give me documents. It's only after my money. Yes. Okay. Now, what's it gonna happen? I can't send money go my guy for Italy. Make she give me, make she look for apartment for me, for Italy. What are they listening to? I can't send, when I never see anything. I never see anything. I'll see something. When I go wrong, I go, hey, this life, I don't come here, come live, this might go, will cure everything with truth. You understand? So, I can't really carry, same money go back for Italy. 2,000 plus, most close to 3K, but 2,500. I can't say go give my guy for Italy, maybe carry 2-bedroom for me. I did talk this for live video several times today. You understand? For Verona. So I come my guy say, what's the level? And they come Italy, they come, I want back to say, okay, I don't need a right apartment because I bring money come and go find jail. Okay, let's shake him. Now so we continue deal. I wait, you don't see the house. Why you don't see the cinema see house? You know, agent give us so see you can't see just see house. So you don't get agent money, you understand? So you know what with landlord, all this kind of stuff and they come. Now, me and Mike go to talk. If that woman come out, me and Mike go to discuss. The master plan of everything we are talking on Mike go to the child. So my go say, what you gonna happen with the guy? May you come my side. Wanna listen and listen very careful. On the live display and share this video. This time, Saga they go on, we do Saga normal level, you know. If I don't get Saga what to do, now she go send picture for me, now she go send video for me. Then all these people video, Monica, gua, you know, more leave presenter issue for this one. Not be presenter matter, come here, come talk. I'm just talking about my story. I want to analyze, I want to let them know how come of adulterous woman must stop. How that topic they come about. No one know. It's very, very simple. Now, I can't do video when I did Germany. Concerning, I do pay show when I did Germany. Of Julie doll, not me Julie. Waginotarata, Enogie, in Islam. Right, sure. Waginotarata, Enogie, I don't trust in one issue. I don't trust in one in UK. Right? I don't trust women in UK. I can't do this. Many of them remember that video, that saga, that page show will go viral, will scatter every day for media for the full years. I don't want. Concerning what the better and the rest of that. With the concrete evidence I was having, you understand? I do all those things. With the audio and everything, I don't play audio. I know I can do my page show because I don't want to implicate people because a lot of people say they cannot play their voice record. So I have to do that page show peacefully, quietly, before the family of Waginotarata pumped it up again. That made me to fall out when I was in Germany. And after that, I had the whole issue. Bam, I go. Now, Iyego is crazily in love with me. The whole issue to the extent my woman where I did house can catch us. He can insult Iyego bitterly. Iyego, anything I talk about now. Joyce insulted you on call when I was on call with you, we were talking. Joyce come back. You don't go work. I can't say you don't go work. As me and you talk on phone, I see you badge enter house gay. Forget clue. We come fight to the yesterday police come for those lands. So we are take so Joyce come catch us. Maybe I might go to talk on phone. Yes, sir. The next thing, as I see Joyce, I don't pick up the phone. I just did call without the talk. I did my office then for dining. Who you are in the talk? I said, my girl, man. So, my girl, you say, I love you. What they don't start. You go not tell me, say, and pie go the date. They see the marriage. Now, so we take, now take end the call. Now I enter Joyce. So, I like Joyce. As Joyce shout, hey, you don't kill me, hey, you don't kill me because the house all day. Now she tell and say, bank J down. So before we know that police don't surround the house. Police don't surround the house. As I see she dey chat, as I peep down, I see police program. I see go police don't program, say police don't come. She say, hey. I bet I know she was scared. She don't already herself. Her shirt we don't tear. My shirt we don't tear on my chest. I go change shirts. Bam. Immediately she come down. She pick what she want. She come. What she forget for her. She pick and she come down. As she come and she jump police for door. Bam. The police they ask her room. She dey speak door. She not understand. When she dey speak for them, they say no. You don't get problem with anybody. No. Don't be them. Don't be you. She tell police don't be she. She open. She go work. She just this. She come out. She come out and police already use motor block her car. When now she come down, she come to police. They remove their car. Make she remove their car. They want come and see they can't come out. So make on their call phone up the peep, the look police for ground. So now she say come on, she can't zoom come out. I come close. I come born. Michael can call me. Hafa, she don't come on. I say she don't come out. Talk. We're born. Then Michael can come outside. Then we see before I will come out, go Italy. I can say okay, no problem. Have it in mind. This time I'm gonna go get woman what she can't give me before now. Before all this falling in love with me, she said give me one girl for her own city, close to her house, not far from her house. One Cameroon woman, which she give me. Me and the woman they flow with the talk, with they in law, you know, with the play, you know, say the woman get document, the woman go marry me, the woman get one pikin, not get problem, and single mother, she they work, everything. I said okay, no problem. I not knowing say my God wants to lure me straight to her house. No, we call they live together. I never knew. Then, I also okay, me and the woman call the talk. That woman will give me so. Will they talk? I go still call the woman. I'll conference my go journal. Will they talk? You know, Mali. You know. It gets to a point. When my mind goes something, they fall in love with me. He say, "We know they hear you. How come not they hear me? Are you guys hearing me? Me, I check my phone. I go still call the woman. I'll conference my go journal. Will they talk? You know, Mali. You know. Why you say you know they hear me? Share the video. Why you say you know they hear me? Share this video, man. Share the video. Now they hear myself now. You understand? Just share the video, no? If you share the video, you go hear me. And because you never share, you never hear. You understand? If you don't share, you go hear. So where will go? So this same woman, this woman in that here, huh? Abigail, wait. Just share the video, no? Me, because you never share. Look, I see if I still get the woman number from my WhatsApp. They say the woman, she will tell me the woman don't even born. I say the woman don't even get belly. She will tell me the woman don't get belly. That it's not last month here. And she tell me when I even ask for Abigail from my house, she said she don't get belly. You understand? If the woman, because I don't see the woman block most of the time. I don't see the woman block me. She could be the woman block me now. But I'm not supposed to lie. You see, the woman blocked me. Abigail. Oh, picture already delete. The picture already I am at work. Now, picture of this one. What she never delete. I for show you guys the picture. She don't delete.
How are you? You okay? Yesterday I write you did not respond to my message. I hope everything is okay. Just let me send this message to you. Yeah, I'm just coming back from work. Okay? Please, just try to call me. Miss you. I love you.
This one and the girl where she give me. The girl was fucking crazy niggas out there love me. You understand? You see who's part of the relationship? This demon. This same woman. This woman na Cameroon woman. Very beautiful woman. She don't have Peking. She did very close to her house. You understand? Now tight friend. This evil woman. Here go. You know the relationship you want. She tell me to leave Joyce. Make I go for this woman. You understand? May I go for this woman peacefully. Me and this, she contact us, conference us, we started talking. The woman was crazily in love with me. Now for me to go see this woman, now go hear story, now go peace for the peace thing. Now go know what this woman do, this one. When I say adulterous woman will stop, here I been what they be you could not get what they are opening and here. Now because of my good not think much. Now what happened? After all this, after all this, I love you. She mean I can't see. Make I come her house. If I come her house very close to this woman's house, Abigail. Her house is very close to Abigail's house. We go fit see. When they listen, when they listen, when I open her ear for grandma, they listen, what he go do a vera or Sazuwa. I cause no problem. He said if I don't like her, I think go back to Italy. I think from there go back to Italy. That's okay, no problem. I can't tell the woman when she live for her. Say they go Italy. I love you. So see they don't share document for Italy. Protection speciale. Una know that na 2 years document they share for Italy then. I say guy I want go apply put. I carry money for nobody, I get money. So we take go money day. We no be the problem, we na water. But when I start to carry my bag, the same woman I use car drop me from home. Home burn off. I enter bus. See home or Ravensburg. Drop me for Ravensburg. From Ravensburg, I enter bus. I enter trade, go Landsberg, Anslish. Now them my go there. Landsberg, Anslish. I can't stop for Landsbank Ashleys. I can't enter bus with they go their house. Mama go come pick me alongside with the children. And so we take go house. When Atiti get document, when I celebrate Atiti, the my go outside when I celebrate Atiti. When Atiti saying get document, when he got powder, when I came out to celebrate Atiti, I was in my go house. I used my blue banner, change the background of the house. Once this story continue, I will be playing many evidence of me and my ego. You mesh with the wrong person. I will be playing many evidence and many proof of me and my ego on all the years of my good. Ladies and gentlemen, when you all see me on a video when I do the side bush, when my hair bush, my mama go has a day. And they go inside guide, they go do videos. Cynthia Awele, the godmother of Atiti, when your husband celebrate birthday, I did my go house when I celebrate that birthday. Don't play. I do my drink. I want you. I spent 1 month on my go house. Olakoko talk show. Kevin Olagwe. Una ask Kevin, which house he send him documents come give me where I take come Italy. Which address? It was Vera Osazuwa, Mama Ego house address. Kevin is a weakness. My people, behold, I reached my Ego house. I'm supposed to go to the so-called girlfriend, which she introduced me to. Right. That was supposed to be the plan. Then, he go refuse me of seeing the girl. The highest he could do for me, after some days in her house, or weeks in her house, she took me to the where the girl would work for some markets. Stand inside market for a distance to go side the girl, for where the girl is serve for kimbab. For where they sell those coffee. For inside big markets. And from there they look the girl. She refused me of seeing that girl. That girl seeing me. I always saw the girl. She no agree. Here go down because why she don't fall in love. We start on the fuck. For her own bed. Now Palo, she dey sleep. She use beds demarcate the Palo. The two sons they sleep for ground. One of the sons dey for one room. The girl dey one room. Now inside that bed with the fork. From the 1 to the 31st.
Children dey ground.
Children dey ground there. We go knock for bed, we'll knock for bedroom. With the fork anyhow. If the children don't go school, leave them for me and she.
They go out.
She know the green them. She know the green space. He say her husband. He prick not the work. He don't pursue one. Two of them not there again, not the turn bride price. The man not get collect, so they not there again. The man dey Italy. So now Germany here, the man be dey stay. The man be dey live with them for the same Germany. So they have to separate. The man can't go Italy. And the man not there again. So right now, me and she, make her know what they will give me paper. If I give her belly, if you bomb on me, me will get paper.
Lord of Jesus.
This will not give me a come for Germany again. Now they spend 1 month for this super house. Every day na knocking.
No.
If you say no, I can snitch, you can swear.
I know what she want from you.
I don't want to listen. I don't say anything. Now so we take that of my house. What if you come make me know say this woman, their husband has my beautiful people. I greet you all with better star. One faithful day, the husband called on video call. The phone in my hand like this. He go the bedroom. She go back. We don't leave fuck finish. She go back for bedroom. The husband can't call for video call. I dey inside bed, the phone in my hand. I see whether my darling or my dear or something like that. Now I see video call. Now I say, my darling, your baby, my darling, they call, oh. Babe, my darling, he said, no pick him on, no pick him on, no pick him on. Now my husband, my children, papa. My children, papa. And so she take carry, I take her for go give her. See, we cannot talk, now, say, okay, she put me for inside toilet. Back before inside toilet, back the door of toilet. She did now bedroom. Because she really bath finish, she tied up her chest. Edo go remember this day. That very day. So, Edo go just say, my love.
When they share the video, if they don't share, don't talk about it. Because when they share the video, because many people
share the video.
Many people say 1 year.
When I share this video.
If not, you know. You
understand? When I share this video, this one New Year, I go expose the Bible. She not go feel use all those petty talk to cover this whole story. Because I divest. I don't keep this secret for so long. This thing where they tell her so. Now he and a friend they inside. She and her friend. That her friend, I go still measure her name. I go still bring her picture comments when time reach. I don't bring her picture on this Facebook. All of them go hear her. When I go remember where I bring comment the time of Mama Sharon, late Sharon OKPAMEN. Lawyer, mama. Where you picking on cousin a lawyer. In mama, she know everything. How I take sleep with my ego. That woman will call herself lawyer, mama. Where be Mama Sharon husband, woman, wait born for Mama Sharon boyfriend. When I share the video, we'll continue. When I share the video, we'll continue. Hey God, I told her, I say, here go. You know, you go tell the world why you give me house, why you give me land, now you give me, why you cut 30 by 100, 120 for me for land, piece of land. Tell the world. This one I pay whenever they oh. I don't buy a brother car oh. No. This time around, who would not so? Yes. I never buy a car for a brother. The brother work for the land. Yeah, I never buy a car for a brother. Yes. I never buy a brother motor. Now when I want to move, now I take back for now I pay you a house. Now you just go house a day. When me I pay you a come to fall in love. Now we fall in love. I did Joyce's house. When I pay you a give me 110,000. When Osaya they go scam that woman 28,000 euro. When we take lawyer. When the last like woman doesn't no seminar, I no give, and I just want to give the matter. I call it on 110,000. Go give her Abewa. Where was say in dash me. Then I Joyce asked last day when Abewa give attitude God father $1,000 before I come move go here go house. Before me Abewa call the reason. What make me Abewa the reason? Now Osagi. Now Abewa has day. Now Abewa take get Osagi number. Hey, Allah. Umenwan oga. Yeah, wa je ya kill you okay. Abewa has now day. When Osage can't tell me say that woman where I confess her with, waiting make me give Abewa control, give my brother control, give Abewa. Abewa say, what do they call this word? Where in Nigeria? MC Happiness, they fraud them. Then I did Joyce's house. I did my woman house. MC Happiness, they fraud them. So if you don't want MC Happiness again, you need somebody who go for the same message. That's okay. I give my number where you feel the same message. I buy a car. Now I take confront Abewa with Osagi, which is my junior brother, which is not 2 times. Where they live there. Abewa go confront Osagi and Osagi call it gist. He can't let Osagi know say no the husband, I see not get boyfriend. He dey find boyfriend. He be like your brother. But your brother not give him a face. Now Osagi take call me say, Gaffer, Abewa like you, bros. Reason me to Abewa. You understand? Now I take call Abewa. Now start for Coco. This one I did Mama Ego house. Now my good now. Based on babe now, when they live together now, call us see one thing, see this small American, see. I say follow up, guy follow up. She get money, follow up. Now I take follow up with Abewa. It was a plan between me and Michael for inside our bed. Money where Abewa put my brother accounts. Abewa could come and say, okay, in dash me 5,000, my brother dash give me 5,000. My brother comes okay. They was me transfer 5 million to my account. Now take carry this guy brother, my go brother, endurance. Send your account to social person like this. You can't send that. So they can go put 5 million for endurance account. So we there on call when the money in the account I not use them. Because I don't understand how here you are. I not touch the money. So now when we could discuss for each bed, you understand? Me and brother, all of us will talk. Because they say, Saturday worry before you can go there, work as every day work before you can come because of it, you go to work for taxi. After the brother cut connect and say, babe, Alpha, I want to surprise your brother. Call your brother. I want to call your brother. Meet him and go find look for car. Sharp car we go buy.
You miss one thing. You miss something you not explain that. When phone ring, when the rat on there, be with you. You don't explain that one. What if he can't tell you?
God bless you.
So that place is very important. Though.
God bless you. That's why you are very correct. When that call come, my people, they cannot go. Me, I don't just talk the chop and small. Because I person this go reach part 10. When that call came in of Papa Ego on video call, it was on video call, not audio. So the thing shocked me, saying on video call, they come and say my dear or my daddy, my daddy, something like that. As the call came in, I come and say, who be my also person? I said, Gabana, who about you are in the where you lash? On the other call, they come for video call. Now I call ask them. Now she, nothing like lie, nothing like lie for this matter. A clear matter. Now they come and so she know. Now she go lie. Because why? She don't dare the gang of liars and manipulator. Me, I don't get time for your manipulating system. Because both all the so-called live video presenters where you they manipulate yourself. I go see beat you now. That's the truth. And as small, that's my saga the long. So, do you know, say, as that girl came in, I give her the phone, she locked me for inside toilet. Me as a guy, put ear for ground, near the toilet door. They listen to the two of them talk. Because on video call, they know what it is loud. You don't feel lower. You know, video call is loud. So what they hear the man talk say, babe, my love, my king, and this one. They talk, I couldn't wonder here. This woman, I don't understand. I just patiently listening to their conversation. With my children, are you there now? And show me breast now. The man say the woman show her breast. Where they say, I want to go back, you want to go work. You want your go work soon. Because you want they go work around 8. You want to go 8 or 9, not too much to go work. You want to go work soon. You just rush, you want to go back. I see you go drop the children for outside. The boat to go carry the children. So next minute you go rush, go back. Without your fuck finish. So I want to listen to our lies. Which they lie to that man. I don't decide bed. They listen to everything. So the way the man they talk, I thought they know say, so this woman say get connection with this man. You tell me say, you and this man not there again. You tell me say you and this man not there again. This man call you for video call. He dey tell me show her breast. My guy wanna listen no. Omo. My prick small for inside the room. I dey listen. The man dey talk say, show me breast now. Make I just feel myself now. My prick just stand for here. All this kind of talk. No man love now. Boyfriend and girlfriend, and they do one normally because the man see on video call say he go back for bedroom. He tie her for chest. So the man could speak his show and breast. All those things. Because I bet carry a while they go that side. And you don't get that, you know for that mood now. I see you this one, that will not be done with you this one. You don't late, you don't get time. When the man see the way they talk with rush. The man goes, okay, no problem. Okay, then I love you. You not tell the man say I love you too. And they start the truth and they listen. If they go know what they talk. You know the day where they talk, so you know if they don't know. Thank God say he's still there alive. He's there alive to listen to all these things. Let my head beat Jesus. Then after she does okay, because I they come me and come out. Man say, you and this man see the man they call you for it say it is a it is children still their house. So make her give the children a phone. Make it talk to the children. You understand? It say children still their house. So you anything I'm saying children not go to school. I was like, wow. This woman tell me say, he and your husband not again. Only know how they meditate me on this place. I have to leave this place. Mind you, This woman was no longer, this woman don't want to make her come out again. After I don't test this my bola, she don't want to make her come out. Ola Koko don't send documents, come on. Where they turn a document, they will be for her, don't want to move. This woman don't want to grill. This woman was not looking for me. Say, if even though he don't marry me, at least make him look for other women who go finish and she's free dates. I go they stay with them. I go pick up the senior and say, God, mother. I see the other say, no, what will happen? They say that they share document for Italy. If I go to Italy, now go apply. They will give me. If I give me document, I'll come back to Italy. I'll come back to Germany. We'll continue our relationship. You understand? You know, Gaimana, I come Pereira. She goes to Canada, she can't go work. She go work, she come back for work back. Man, my God. When this woman go work, I can't sit down, I can't reason my life. Come on with the husband, let me call the lash. Jesus is Lord. Now say don't read, don't set. He don't set. Woman with the husband. This man tell me say no the husband again. All because he just want come. Make her come. Make her come to make her come. Not be joke, I'm not the joke. I'm not the reason my snaps, I'm not the joke. I don't talk my reality. What's like joke here? You're gonna the beast of human being I've ever seen in my life. The beast of all beasts now she be. You're gonna give me that land to lure me to herself. So there are a lot of things that comes to my head after she don't go walk. I can't be paro like stupid all day. Oh, but I can't come and say that guy. You know, girl say, oh, as you do, no. The one where I live don't block me already. We don't. Now my go has for quarter. I'm proud of my go now block her. When I want to come and say I don't go Germany, I don't go Italy. That one insult my generation, block the hell out of me, insult me, block me. I block her from my go house. Inside her bed. Oh no, which kind of fuck up is this one? Where I want to stay, where I want to put body now? What did they saw? I want to go inside Gary to do video. She don't come on, she will put Gary. I know where they work out of this. Make that girl not see me. God. This one I just so me and the girl would they talk well for phone every day. I did our own city, close to our own house. I did our own supermarket. What she they say? I don't see this girl for face. I don't think go meet her. I go to give this space. She go there what she go there what she put earpiece for ear. We don't call. We will talk. I bet we will call. As I bet what they call. We go say okay, call you. Me I bet we go see they call. Me I go they talk. My go call inside. My go they call. My go they call. I go see cut. I can't marry to a woman at all. I was dating my girl. I was dating that baby one. I was dating two women at a time. Iyego and Abiyayiwa. He just said, Oyebu. I told you, don't worry. If you know, you're not be able to no, when you fear Matana with the Evanoji, your children will die for their eye. Then, I have to use my brain. Now movement, inshallah. I got to my go say I want come out. I have to go buy tickets. Because I say yes. I have to go buy tickets. I go show them one picture. Where that picture do? Check this name. That food, where the flag go? That picture is something my go now. That food dey. Show me where she tap. Now you singlet. Now you want black singlet, one trouser. You go now, man. You picture now show you it. Yeah. If picture you now show you it. Oh, woman. Oh, I'll show the picture and they will sweep my go for the background. The picture going to show. Maybe I'll call it flash on the show.
People don't believe now. I believe say now you go if you go carry swear now. See so how much they get my boy ever since. I'm saying I'm saying the truth. So then we could go back. That was the day we could buy tickets. You get one place for Deutschland for if they go buy on.
I don't forget the name of the city. If I see that picture, I will see remember the name of the city. You understand? That city, now we'll go buy tickets. We'll come buy tickets. Or please, boss. I mean, Mike gotta go. Buy the ticket, finish. Epa Eddie TV. Can't give. Mike go collect money for her hand. Because I can't use one account. Now I can't bring money come. Go buy tickets. I can still give Mike go small thing. The next day, I can't come out. Then the next day or next 2 days of it, I can't come out. I can't come Italy. So when I reach Italy, this is where the whole scenario starts. Now there the problem starts from. And then the full jealousy starts from. And then this full wahala starts from. And then the full problem. When I share this video, I never talk. Here you go. From the beginning, you never told me you are a mad woman. But when you go about the time, yeah, I go how I tell no, say my go the husband house. First leakage. It was that video call where Papa go call my president. When I did my go for SARS. The second leakage, now when I go meet Papa, I go for embassy when I do my Nigeria passports. Now therefore no. If they link me to Papa Ego, he never told me they are married together. When Papa Ego come, I dealt with Joyce for house. Papa Ego can't do Christmas with the children. Was that 2020 or 2022? No, 2022. That's 2022 or 2022. Should be 2022. I don't know, whatever. Again, whatever Christmas video, they can't do something for Papa Ego did that house that day. Papa Ego did the house. So, I can't call my ego. Now, my ego can't talk. He can't tell me, say, he can't get Papa Ego. I can't get Papa Ego. Can't say, me Papa, his husband, we can't greet. As we greet, I was thinking, say, that time I grandmother I bio, he never be girlfriend. Say, a married woman. That was why I make her my godmother. You understand? So, immediately the man comes for her, or she comes for her, she's going to say, you understand? She they come to see children. Now she can never get document for Germany. If they don't give a document for Germany, how should they come Germany? How should they contact social say they don't marry? How should they not give her a document? How should they go to start work for Amazon? They come pursue for Amazon. She can go back to Italy. How should she go take come? They go to fight. The children go to follow on the quarter. Make them follow on the quarter. Make them follow on the fight. How they take many talks. She come to her say, really? Say yes. He said that man will become pest to her life. That man don't want to let her be. You understand? Because of him born for her. That's what the man take go prison. How the man take go prison and everything. He tell me everything. How he take go prison. He collect money for the woman. Did he collect the money with the man work for prison? He carry the come and he goes and build house for Lagos. He build house for Igbo land. He father house, he family house for Igbo land. Now he go build her. He talk and he build everything. Blah blah. Many talk. Try to convince me say. Papa Ego not just be because of the picking when born for her, then they flow, then they talk, so they're not the married agree, they're not got husband and wife. I said, okay, no problem. That was how relationship starts. That was how relationship starts. When I can't go Italy. When I reach Italy, when I follow this way, but I the ground, but I go check now. I never stop. Wetin make can hate you? Now make can hate Abioyuwa. Now make can hate Becky. Now make can hate all the so-called girlfriends. Wait, she knew. You understand?
She wasn't in love.
You understand? No one leave what this one was that day. We don't talk about it today. Because I know you because the weather too cold. I said, who will scatter me just more? Maybe they are breeze smoke come out. We go talk everything with time. I just started today on the 1st of January. We go march and reach the ending. Now, After all these boosts, all this relationship knocking, boo, I go Italy. I reach Italy. Then we'll continue from there. What waiting play after I reach Italy? Does the relationship continue again? Or do we stop the relationship? What happened?
Watch out for part 2.
Watch out for part 2. Don't play. Hey, Ario Boyo. Share this video for national peace to reign. And for those of you guys who say, Umenwan, why you go do Oga, Madam, she not tell me say she be married woman. I want the fuck married woman. You understand? I want the fuck married woman. Woman will not do husband house. Woman will say your husband say you don't go collect bride price. I they return the bride price by force. Assassin they only marry again. Some men they use bride price to punish women. Why I not join my go return my go bride price? Because Papa go and my go don't separate. I know how many women, as when they watch, many of you can sit down and testify. Say, Umenwan, next time return bride price of una. We don't una big papa not return, not get accept. Now me return. I know how many women don't return their property for this. Abroad where I did so. Why my own case? I don't return. When I reach Italy, now no see. Papa go with Mama go we are still married legally as custom and tradition demand. Here go just this flex up and down. Not be only me. Even the one after I did Italy, the one we see tell me by herself. We should see tell me by herself. Even recently now, that will dissolve everything. Now she can't even use her mouth talking because she knows she don't cast. When the woman, when she can't give me, no agree work, she can't tell me saying, me and you not fit day again. You know, see you now, you fight, you beat adulterous woman. I know you do one day, based on the media, the live video, knowing we do one day, and I just look for another man, make I continue with. This is my very good hero. Really, me why you know anybody know what saga, he was with Lazane. When go because of Pygo now the quiet is there. I be no one do saga. As Pygo your belly head, na me I not dig. Anybody follow me, I'll follow for her. And the truth is see me, you not fit dig. As they talk and they go to just see me, you feel a friend. If they constantly find and see me, you call a friend now. You don't say go be wahala. Let me say I don't love you, I love you. Until then, for the now, me everybody your day, you. Then you day your home, me I did my after all, you already married. And I not say you don't want you marry, you don't love her. Me no say you don't love her. Now me you love. No say you don't love her. Wow. I really look the woman, I really laugh. You go wow, church again, so you go no ga. You go no ria. No yeah. No gapi. Do my drink. I want you. We never start to. This is just an intro. More updates and more stories about Iego, Ifu Grant. No, you let me. We will talk everything from the beginning to the end. The next one about you. Next one I show you proof no. Yeah, I can narrate the full story. After the narration, we will call the shop and the way it be. Why should they invest for my wife? Because of bride price. She never wanted me to marry anybody except her. Iego never wanted me to marry anybody. When I hear a verbal, except her.
Now she's supposed to divest for me. Why you can't divest for me? Me know all these things.
You go back now.
You're supposed to divest for me.
So immediately I marry my wife. Now I allow. Not be even married. That time we say we never marry. I have to talk to Kevin, if you give for me, I'll marry. She don't talk me if you call me like this. After we don't met, you don't met me. You don't do that. Sorry. Calm down. She go say what happened to me? Me and I say what my very go hero. My very go hero. Anyway, Tani. My very go hero. Anyway, Tani. Pass me you relax, me you leave it pa. We forgive her. Not be only my go. In brother, endurance, now finish mama ego destiny. Yes. My people agree to now. The person will destroy my ego, Nigerians with the Lagos. The person will destroy Nigerians, my ego. You see the other family members. You see that they mention their name, no. The one will be lawyer voice, they mention their name, no. Those one, they hear Papa ego words. They know they talk. But you see Nigerians and Papa ego, they're the enemy. Nigerians, they even convince me, they let me know, say, his sister not the husband house again. Nigerians give me assurance, say, Mama ego not the husband house again. Yeah, Papa ego not the dates. Papa ego not greedy man. Now self-centered man. These are what they told me about Papa ego. Because I do my findings before I go to that useless woman's house. You understand? Your own brother, when they build my house for Lagos, come follow me. Tell me, say, I should they speak right now. Yeah, Paigo, they block themselves. They don't they communicate. They don't they talk. They be enemy. They give me the full assurance and say, yes, our sister loved me. Our sister really loved me. I don't get problem. Make I continue. Here go, talk. I they talk what they tell me. Apart from Nigeria and the rest of that family, none of them communicate with you. I don't go feel lie. None of them communicate with. Now your brother give me a chance and say, after the woman talk, I don't confirm with your brother. I said, Gaiman to Gaiman with you and with reason. Tell me here. When I go embassy, I will look Papa like this, I go shake my head. Papa go down, show me prick. Like this, say, my brother, look prick. When they say no, they walk. I was shocked. He can't even say embassy. Say, bro, sick Bolawe. My wife, they say, don't they walk. I'll call this useless woman. Because I don't know, I want to start. I want to start to talk. I don't fuck your wife. Me go embassy. I go meet the man. The man, they complain of his wife to me. The family tell me, say, yeah, the man not there again. Where you want me to start? I go to the man, okay, bro, calm down. I go talk to her. I go come by, go, Alpha, your husband needs you. He say, oh, yeah, well, you know. I say, will you calm down? Your husband needs you. Yeah, well, everything where the man they talk, I tell him. No one we are not my goal. I you take do action for Sardinia, everything. I your husband take rescue you. I your husband take put you for us. Your husband narrate everything to me. Which I can say, Alpha. This man see what he say, don't do for you, do for you. Reason this matter. And you are on here at her age. You work here or worry. My people to the extent I couldn't sell Bola medicine because of Papa ego. Medicine where Bola stand from Nigeria. Now I bring them come. Many people buy. Mama ego, I send go give her for us. May give your husband may use. The husband use them. As we still talking, so the things still be. The brother don't still stand. The brother don't still stand. The woman said, "There, we are look at it. Wait till they sob. You gonna pest to my neck, to my you go. Carry house, short, carry everything. Then you leave me in peace with my beautiful wife, Marisol. Because even you, I regret the day I know you. If I reason your matter, I go ask you, wait till make me know you from the beginning. Oh, you are aware? You solo wanna back up your life. The man go come, and they go embassy. I go see the man go carry me go bar, oh drink. He go give me food, I go eat. People, the one when they serve for Papa, he go give. When I went, other level, now the man they call me, the one other level. They right now, what you want shop? When they give you jollof rice. How come you, my conscience go they judge me? Person when they buy me food, I don't lash your wife. How I want to talk this thing? Where I want to start from? And the woman they tell me say, here the man all day. The man will take me as a son because of your wife. The wife they tell me say, here the man all day again. Now if I go meet the woman, Alpha, you call your husband back again. Now very simple thing, confess to your husband, you do the necessary things. Because of the children. This woman no one here. Oh yeah, God, I mean you know. This woman want to do everything possible to bring me back to Germany. Just because of prick. Just because of bola. Nothing much. I don't get documents. I don't give you documents. I don't give you anything. Just because of bola. I did Italy. I go say, send me your address. I'm about to the I want to sell you shoe. I want to buy you shoe. I want to buy you clothes. You go buy. I go send address. You go carry clothes for me. What you can cost? Which I can't run from her. I want to pick a call again. I want to pick a call again. I want to call her again. If she pick a call, she must want come. She must want make her come. Only my words. This one not the words.
Jesus.
Only my words for man. I hear they talk. You say, umane tama megi muse, umane gume te wasuna. Diama we mowa. But mane go hero. I tell me telling you I'm on a black price. I don't tell my family many things. Not be smoking. To the extent, the thing fool me rich neck. I can't call my guy. Cigar far. See what you. I not use myself, say myself. What to do? You understand? I can't confide on person. I don't want to mention your name. As I do this, you don't know. You don't see yes, I tell them. Everything we are talking about, I call and sit down. Would they buy and drink? I say, guy, I get problem. I just do okay normally, but there's one particular problem where they bother me for mine. I not be solve. I want to solve the problem. No, I can't see what's in the past through. So they can't see what's inside the past through. This woman deceived me, saying, yeah, this man not there. I can't explain. The guy can ask you. And this is a partner, now my guy, now my partner for year. I like this man. This man not the man with the like wahala. It's just the man who do hustle in thing normally for embassy. You see, Frank say, I for advice you because if you talk about you and the man can't get issue. The man don't believe in you. They don't trust you again. You just lost that trust. That opportunity you look on. That way, you say, I they give your husband connection. Because you know one thing where I can't detect. I can't just say the man not get money again. Mama go to finance, he don't get money past the man. They use that influence, say he don't get money past the man, and she there for media. They no one for media. See, they believe they know one believe somebody is past the man. First, he tell me say they can remove your husband from admin for your page. He tell me, I said nothing. He by herself. I teach her on how to do it. She by herself remove her husband for her me for our page. Then the husband, first person with the husband called now me. Make I put him back as admin. What they start? The woman goes to make I not try him. The man goes to make I put her as admin. I become the center for this evil woman heart. I come the center of this couple who the husband will say, Dolabo, put me as admin. My wife, I said, Epa, you talk to your wife. Your wife, I'm not going to do one. Your wife will remove me. When the woman say, me want to obey the husband, she remove me. Pump. He can't remember this woman and the brother. Endurance. Because the man convinced me to the extent say, his wife don't want me to see the evil, the church, the message we men is sent for her. So when I want to say, when I say this man gets this woman, I can't call the boss, Mama, it be like say your husband know the code do. She say, it be like say, you don't want me to see the chat, people they chat with you for messenger. I'll put some. We are not sure where pure yam or yo. Maybe you can't, whether I issue with Duamo or your brother, he kicked me out of admin. Piam. Today, he kicked me out of the admin of the page. Me and Papa go now come up for the page. Now the page can't cause one big quarrel between two of them. Because the woman want me to do saga. Make sure they cook food, they do a thing, or the only thing they do, they put for the children, they do all this game. Let me demand say, Billy say, they put the page. I monetize the page for her. You understand? I may monetize the page. She don't say, I say I kick her out for admin, but yes, I kick you out of the admin. Of the pay at admin, because we get to admin for page. We get Facebook admin, and we get pay at admin. Pay at admin and the page, where the money they pass enter the page. And so, if you do by yourself, you will get the admin page. Now maybe the admin of that pay at. Since she want to collect her own personal page, I not let her collect her. The next thing is send your brother post blue film on my page. They suspend me for 2 months. Then you pay her for one collect the money this month. I remove her. The €101 we want to collect, you know what I'm saying? I go chop her for national peace story. I also pay buy drink to drink. Yes, now. You know the story now. He pay you, Abby. He shock you. Let me people come and reply me. You don't see no reply me before. If you want to pretend, you want pause for this story with the organ. This of VFV with the ground. You know the pause, my sister. As I did talk to the screaming, I start going continue to the talk. As they hear your dirty story from here, they go see the hearing from your whole platform. Now, so you'll be my sister. Everybody go know who you be. You are an evil, you are a Jezebel. This woman prophesied to my life. Say, 3 women are coming to my life. 2 are for evil. 1 is for a savior. Yes, it is true. 3 women really come to my life. 1, Iyego. 2, Abiyewa. 3, Juliet. Agbontan. Iyego was an evil. Abiyewa was an evil. Juliet was the savior. And that's why she's here today. And our president at the talker now. Not before, not please. Now our president at the talker. Those prophecy you saw, you say you see. It was true, my sister. And it really comes to pass. And the whole world can see it. That you are evil. And they collect nothing less than $4 on Facebook from 2021 till 2022. When I make your own brother, I gave your own brother access to my page. Immediately I gave your brother access to my page. All my page because they have problem. You just said before.
You never married me that time.
No, I married you for where? I quiet for peace to reign. For that relationship because of the love you have buy for your hand. Because of the land where I buy for your hand. That's why I quiet. No be joke. No be say I don't know what they happen. No be say I don't know what they go on. I just keep calm so that there will be peace. Here, but you say, I know everything. When you see Boki don't see you. I just the lock up. Be peace day, be peace day, be peace day. Be peace day. Afterwards, I buy land for your hand. Now, how long that build that spot? Even though we quarrel, we must definitely jam one day. If I build that house, now if I still go to the house, I will still see him now. So we're going to follow on the coaching for social media. That's why I lock up. My God. Me now, I don't send. Thank God see the house, you say you carry. Oh yeah. What you love, you don't go. I dash you. Wemu, that's wemu. So compano. You know why would that when you were Ramiro one. Expect you when you have no. When you mean when you say. Oh one. Expect you in or can you when you be no say. Understand? A joke. That wish where you say you get that prophet will say, I will see how you go fit challenge me. In the realm of the spirit, we will see ourselves. Na Facebook I will talk so. Me see as Izuo by this kind of time. Ibiaki biagwa the manya yasi as Izuo. Ebama yang bawa yok panami no way. Ogun gbasi. Awo boko akwa kwa nkpemiri. Kamiya we no me wen kai. Iyego iwa salike yo he woto. O my gbekwa really. The whole way. When you want come, you dey vibrate.
Where children dey?
Huh?
Where children dey?
She dey vibrate like to do nothing. Your husband go know this thing like that. So me just say, you know, say na saga or na social media talk or gonna be live video talk. And they talk now, and they confess now reality, pure life. If you still coming for phone now, from today now, anything you check, ask me about your wife, I go talk from the beginning to the end. Yes. Don't pass the stage where we say, I don't want to talk with you, I'll be quiet. Oga, your wife, don't tell me say you ain't see anything. In brother, where the journalist, not see tell me say you don't marry, not say that's it. Tell us not dey again. That's why I get that God, that mind to take go ass. Because why? Now you help me do my best certificate for Nigeria, everything on my document, my credential. Now you do one. So I was feeling say, una be husband and wife. Until he couldn't let me know say, why boy you don't tell me not go to turn black pie, you don't send for go my village, but go to turn black pie. They say they dash son, they take off Peking. You understand? So Oga, your wife, not vessel, adopt me and you don't do one or two things. And the truth I already tell you, so nothing like say nothing like nothing like all those when they talk of me, they disguise. Want to cover up, like say maybe they call the banners one go one side, because they call an adulteress, man. Not be lie, yo. We knock 1 month now spend for your wife house. 1 straight month now spend for inside your wife room there. When I did, I had a ball everywhere for the whole city for Landsberg links. And they brought the whole city. Go watch my video via the board. Go on video when they do where I do for side where they play tennis, when they play tennis, I do the video. Where they post say if you no get go now your house, now your wife sit here for do that video. The video where I take praise at the TV, I take congratulate and still get document. Now you're picking your bed, your daughter room now for do that video. Your daughter go room now for do that video. You feel me so? So nothing like say maybe na social media talk. Your wife na evil. Now when I meet you for one-on-one for embassy, when you confide to me say you and your wife sit there. Now I know say that woman a demon. Now since that day now they call the shit from her. I not call the communicate from her. I cannot be come again. Now since that day I dislike her fully. After she don't convince me another again. Now when me and you see for embassy, the role you play for that embassy that day with me, the first day I called the passport for embassy, the role you play, now I say God forbid, this woman are evil. See they use call they disturb my generation. Call. The next way we go say, okay, when you come. All the talk, we're going to talk, man, you go to shout, you go to scream. Only talk, go to scream. Next thing you say, oh yeah, mama.
Vera.
I know what you black snake. Then they come like black snake. Show me my black snake. Show me my black snake now. My black snake.
Oh yeah, you go.
Oh yeah.
We are telling you. You go back understand the narrow we
Then, when I landed Italy, I got angry. If now watch after I go, I don't do video, I don't talk that one. No. When I see Papa go tell me, make me understand, say, Mama go now, they still be husband and wife. Omo. Now I'm bored with the program. Adulterous women must stop. That was how, if I did beat adulterous, I'm going to look back because I did verse. This useless mama go now make me parry for adulterous women. Let me put the big them woto. Now because of my go now make me the saga adulterous women. Like I said to one and they beat their generation. Because why? They are useless women. You see it. And this year, now the beginning of that adulterous women. You can't stop me. Because of a year ago. When she rightfully knows, see, she the husband house. Because we all worry, we go and keep the car. Then you want to come say, you see us. Why you see us? Because I don't marry you. Yeah. But a woman, you send me to marry you. You told me you love me, you cannot leave me. You love me so much. And you cannot leave me since you have been. It's not. I don't know if you're here. You say only 2 men don't make you come for your life since you from getting now. Only 2 men don't make you come. You told me. All your life in prostitution, you never come. Because you were doing it for money. Me, I want that guy. I can't forget, I can't buy his name again. I don't make you come. When me and you started the date, when I fuck you, you call your friend in Germany there, the mother of lawyer, the former wife of Sharon boyfriend, where I bring the picture, come on social media, the son I call in and say, my mother is not like that, my mother is not like this. Remember? The woman know that I sleep with you. If I'm lying, let's come and talk. The woman know I fuck you. You expect the woman. How I take fuck you? How you take come? You understand? The woman will tell you, say, okay. I told you all this time that look for a boyfriend. Since your big is not working.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, my brother, West President, thank you. Thank you for giving me star. Bad guy. The woman told you. I was there with you. When the woman was telling you, I told you, try another man. Since Papa go break, it's not working. When I fuck you, you start calling the woman. I say, ah, Frank, don't know Frank. You told her everything. I was laughing inside the bed. The woman was telling you, he bought my life in the saga. He, my brother, you know, I will put your saga, body of Buhe or Zanzamewa. You say everything. Your mouth used to say everything. I was watching you. The woman was talking. Two of you, your phone was on speaker. Am I lying? Diego, am I lying against you? When the woman was telling you, where frustration are they? Where is the frustration? The woman also start just, oh, women, men also far. The woman also start talking about her own. She started discussing about her own. We are all here. Look with it. Look with it. You understand? Yeah, here. So here go. There is nothing where I talk now will be lie, you know. But I pause so that tomorrow we'll still continue. This is a Sagalimayo Saga 2025. I thought I said this year go bloody, he go bloody, he go bloody. This is New Year. It's so stupid and so shameless to see some